Have you ever asked yourself, what are simple ways for you to enhance your look? Today, I'm sharing my easy styling tips for you to look put together every day. Hey lovies, welcome back to my channel. It's me, Sharon, for the best relaxed hair tricks and tips, plus styling tips. I mean, your girl is qualified. I do have a degree in fashion merchandising and product development. Go ahead and subscribe to my channel. Also, click the bell so you're notified every week when I upload a video. You don't want to miss it. So go ahead and click that bell. Okay, so we all want to look good in minimal time. And why not? I mean, you shouldn't have to take hours to look and feel your best. There are simple ways for you to look polished in a short amount of time. Today, I'm sharing with you my simple ways to enhance your look featuring Ana Luisa Jewelry. Okay, lovies, so I have some really exciting news. A company reached out to me by the name of Ana Luisa to be an ambassador for their company, and I'm so super excited to share with you some amazing jewelry that I was able to pick out and share with you guys today. Ana Luisa is a luxury jewelry company that specializes in handcrafted sustainable jewelry. They are an earth-conscious company whose goal is to enjoy and celebrate the beauty of the earth without leaving a trace by making affordable luxury jewelry without excess and damage to the planet. Their jewelry is made with recycled materials, including recycled gold and recycled silver. I mean, even the thank you card is made from recycled paper. I absolutely love that luxury jewelry can be affordable and harmless to our planet. The first way to enhance your style is by investing in quality jewelry. So thank you, Ana Luisa, for sponsoring this video. When I went on their website, I was super excited because I saw all of their beautiful jewelry. There are so many pieces that I love that I would buy with my own money. There were over 20 pieces that I loved. It was such a hard decision to make on what items I wanted. I love that they have tarnish-free, long-lasting jewelry that is a luxury, but it's also affordable. There is something for everyone and in every price range. So I love the fact that you can get luxury pieces at an affordable price. So the pricing is fair. There are no luxury markups. Pieces start at $39, so that sounds good to me. So go ahead, shop Ana Luisa Jewelry. Also, the link will be down in the description box below. So my discount code is LOVESHARON10 and you get 10% off your entire purchase. So I did decide to go with the Bombshell set. The Bombshell set is a beautiful layered necklace set. Okay, so when I chose this necklace, I thought it was just a combined 3-layer necklace. I didn't know that I was going to get 3 separate necklaces with this set. So this set, oh my gosh, you can wear in so many ways, and I'm so excited about it. So you can wear this layered look with all 3 necklaces together, and that will give you a more glamorous, va-va-boom statement necklace. Like, you can see it, right? It's here. She's showing out. If you want to be more minimal, you're dressing down for the day and you want to put on some jewelry, you can also wear 1 necklace at a time. So you can choose what necklace you want to wear. You can wear it at least 6 different ways. So more bang for your buck. So it's a win-win. The second piece I decided to get was this beautiful gold ring, which is the Noah ring. I am so in love with this ring. I love that it's so big and chunky. I got it in a size 7 and I can put it on almost any finger. So I will say the ring is true to size and I just love it. Now the jewelry came in these cute pouches and they both say Ana Luisa. The great thing about both pieces, they are timeless, they are classics. Like you can wear them any time of the year, you can wear them with almost anything, and these are for sure going to be a staple in my closet. I'm going to be wearing these pieces all the time. Trust me, you will see me wearing these pieces day or night. This is a go-to, good to go set. I love gold jewelry and I wear it majority of the time. So both pieces are plated gold, so it is a gold. The Bombshell set is $115 and the Noah ring is $59. So very affordable for the quality of these pieces. Both pieces are hypoallergenic, meaning they're great for any and everyone. If you have sensitive skin, this jewelry is perfect for you. It is time for you to get luxury pieces at affordable prices. Jewelry makes everything better. The second way to enhance your style is, of course, by your hair. And did you think I wasn't going to talk about hair? Curls are an easy way to amp up any style. Love, love, love curls, especially heatless curls that you can achieve with Flexi rods. Yes. So we're gonna get the curls, but we're gonna get no heat damage. And we're also gonna do it in a small amount of time. So it looks like I took forever to do my hair, but really I didn't. To see how I transform from straight to curly, go ahead and check out my heatless curls tutorial. It's gonna share with you everything you need to know about how to get beautiful, bouncy, heatless curls without heat damage. Go check that video out. The third way to enhance your style is by adding a little blush, a little lipstick, or a lip gloss, and of course, highlights. So those are my 3 favorite cosmetic items that will make a huge difference in your appearance very quickly. So with the lipstick color is up to you. Just depends on what you're feeling like. Today I'm wearing a neutral, natural brown lip color. But if you're feeling spicy, you can put on a hot red lipstick and that'll be your pop-up color. And of course, red is always on trend. Red is classic. So just a little blush to brighten up those cheeks, to give youthfulness to your face. Also with the highlight, it's just gonna give you that glow, that sun-kissed look. Like, did I crush diamonds on my face? I think I have diamonds on my face. Highlight is just like fairy dust. It's just fairy dust. So you can never go wrong with blush, highlight, and a lipstick or a lip gloss. For more makeup tips, make sure you check out my thick natural brow tutorial and my pink bombshell makeup look. Go check it out after this video. Comment down below and let us know what is something that you do that instantly make you feel beautiful. It could be anything from a pair of high heels, a red lip, or a nice piece of jewelry. Let us know in the comment section down below. Check out these videos next for more beauty, fashion, and of course, relaxed hair content. If you like this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up. Be sure to subscribe and share it with all your friends. Thanks, love.